You may reading for sign of Sagittarius. So welcome back to the channel. Let's see what you guys are going through. One card for can possibly be coming up for you guys in the coming days. What are Sagittarius people going through for the month of Jan? Happy New Year to all of you. With Six of Swords, many of you guys are trying to move on. Okay, some of you guys could also be relocating or changing jobs, shifting cities. Okay, in the past, some of you guys could have got communication, but it wasn't anything you were waiting on. Right now, I believe for many of you, with the Devil card, you wanted to get rid of the devil. That is mostly going to be a toxic ex, right? Can't be someone in the present. One more card for what's going on in Sagittarius life currently. With High Priestess, you could have gone silent. You're going within. You're trying to listen to your gut feeling, intuition. All that like downloads you're getting from the universe, from all that experiences you've gone through. You're possibly wanting to make the right decision now. In the past as well, you had two choices, and I believe right now you're basically choosing to stay away. Okay. Top card, Three of Wands, you're possibly going to be focused elsewhere, or you're trying to focus elsewhere. Many of you, I see you guys either moving to another city or trying to change jobs, but there's certainly a certain amount of transition in your life, change in your life. I mean, that's coming in. Okay, one more card for sign of Sagittarius. With Seven of Swords, some of you could be still stalking your person. Okay, like still keeping a watch or still keeping a tab, even if you're moving away. Some parts of you is still kind of watching them, still possibly wondering what they're up to and shit. But yes, you're majorly trying to stay away. Okay. So regarding your soulmate, what are they up to? One card for your soulmate, please. What are they up to? Sagittarius soulmate. Regarding your soulmate, we have Knight of Wands in the reverse. This person has been a player who's always been in and out, who's never really committed to you, always told you that they have feelings for you but never really committed to you. Okay. With Seven of Pentacles, I believe that they haven't given up, but they are not also trying on you. Like they are not trying to come forward, put in effort, nothing. Okay. So what are they up to? The sign of Sagittarius. The Moon card, this person is at a distance. They are not telling you what is happening in their life, what they want with you, nothing. What are they hiding from you? What are they possibly hiding from you? Why is the Moon card here, Spirit? Why is the Moon card here? Okay, we have a reversal. Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. They are not yet ready for a committed relationship. Okay, I see this person still not being in a position to offer you something long term. Okay, in the past, even if they made a move towards you, I believe that was just loss. Okay, it did not really get anywhere. In terms of their feelings towards you now, how do they truly feel for you, Sagittarius soulmate? In terms of how they feel for you, with Queen of Swords, I believe when they came forward, they wanted to see a lot, but they ended up saying nothing. Okay, like they were also very rude and cold towards you. They were also behaving a bit manipulative. Okay, with Nine of Cups, this person is extremely selfish. Okay, and with King of Swords and Queen of Swords, this is your soulmate, but sometimes soulmates are messed up, right? So give me one more card as to how they truly feel for you now. I believe they have cut communication. Okay, they are not communicating with you neither. They want to come forward. Okay. With Ten of Pentacles, they are thinking long term, but they are not in a position to offer you that. Okay. For some of you, they came forward. They wanted to see what you up to, but I believe that deep down they are guilty for something. Why are they guilty? Like, have they done something? Are they keeping someone else besides you? Like, why are they guilty? With Knight of Pentacles, maybe that your person has kept you waiting for too long and they're guilty for keeping you waiting and possibly giving you nothing. Okay. One more card. For how do they feel when they miss you, when they think of you, when you're not around? Yeah, with the Magician card, they do want to open up, but they feel they do not have much to offer. With King of Cups in the reverse, they are always suppressing their feelings, not really wanting to open up much. Okay, with Ace of Cups, they do have feelings for you. But with Six of Pentacles, they have always been breadcrumbing you, not really giving you anything that they have promised you or possibly told you about. Okay, mention whatever that is. One more card for their intentions towards you now. Okay, we have a card. With Nine of Cups, this person does want to continue what they have with you. Okay, they are not wanting to give up on it. With Temperance card, they also intend to fix this with you. Okay, they intend to possibly, find common ground with you, not having to fight or having this ego clashes, not wanting the silence. I mean that is there between the two of you now. It's kind of awkward between the two of you, so they want to end that. What action are they want to take towards you now? What action are they want to take towards you? In terms of action, darling, we have Seven of Cups. So this person is still confused as to what they need to do. Okay. Top card, Judgment card. They still have to end something in their life before making a move towards you. They have to decide. It is not you. It's them. And the reason why it's so messed up is because of them. Okay. In the past, they had to communicate the honest truth, but they did not do it, and it possibly sabotaged the connection further. Okay. Some of you, selected few of you, this person might return back apologizing for what they did to you in the past. Okay, one more card. What do they want to do towards you now? For some of you, this person is wanting to bring in communication. They want to start communication. What can you expect from this person now? What can you possibly expect from this person now? With Queen of Cups, yes, for many of you, I do feel like this person is wanting to come forward and will come forward. I won't say that they'll be extremely emotional, but yes, they'll be very nurturing, sweet, and kind with you. You'll hear a lot nice words from them that you've never heard. Okay. With Page of Wands, communication is 100% coming in. Okay. So for now, where is it going forward? For now, where is it going forward for sign of Sagittarius? With Nine of Wands, do you even want this? That's a big question. I mean, you have gone through so much. For some of you, this has been a long relationship where things have been up and down for a long time now. Okay, with Six of Cups, yes, you will come back, but it is also going to possibly trigger all your past wounds. Okay, I do not know if you're prepared for that. What do they have to offer though? What do they have to offer? What do they have to offer? We have King of Swords. So they are wanting to offer some honest communication as of now. Okay, nothing much more than that. They are wanting to come out of their hermit mode. That is not wanting to ghost you anymore. Okay, let go of the silence and possibly communicate more. Okay, one card for how do they view you now? How do they view you? How do they possibly view you? With Eight of Cups, they feel like you're walking away, or you're moving on, or you're staying away. With Seven of Wands, they feel like you have your walls up, guards up, and you're not going to let them in. Why should you? Okay, unless they come with a solid explanation and a proper plan as to what they want with you, I don't think you should, let them back in your life. Okay, so for now, what do they want from you? For now, what do they want from you? With Page of Swords, they might want you to be open and be open to their communication. If they communicate, they don't want you to block them or possibly cut them out. With Ten of Wands, they want you to listen to them. They possibly want you to help them with certain something. This person also needs your help. This person also wants you to hold the connection together and not drop the wands. I mean, that is drop the connection. Okay, they want this to continue. They want a new beginning with you. Okay, this might come late, but yes, they want this with you. Okay, in terms of love messages, what is your person wanting to say to you now that they haven't said so far? I want to talk to you. That is one message. Yes, I admit I can't express my feelings. Come with me. I mean, this is a card where someone is wanting you to possibly listen to their plan or listen to their offer. Okay, last card we have is my wrong choices led me nowhere. So this person had choices and they might have chosen something that they were not supposed to, and they possibly messed it up. Okay, your person is coming in, but that depends on you. The ball is in your court. So if you decide to open up to them or want to talk to them, that's up to you. But if you are not wanting to, you can move forward. What else is coming up in Sagittarius life currently? With the Star card, I believe right now you're focusing on healing. Okay, right now you're focusing on getting better as a person, as an individual, career-wise, spiritually. Okay, with Hanged Man, you're using the time alone to possibly fix yourself. Okay, you have gone through a lot, and right now you're trying to just revive yourself in the best way possible. So yes, this was the reading for sign of Sagittarius. I love you guys. I love reading for you people. So if it resonated, do consider hitting the like button, subscribe, comment. All those who are wanting a personal reading from me, please do reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Also, I post a lot of almost personal readings. Next 72 hours reading, twin flame reading. I do include Sagittarius individually, so please do check that out as well. Okay, don't miss them. Thank you so much, and please do consider hitting the like button if it has resonated in some which way. Okay, thank you so much. Cheers.